welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a day in the life, just a lazy normal Sunday, but today I'm collaborating with Tina Munoz. If you guys don't know her, I'm gonna have her channel linked down in the description below. She does decorating videos, she does homeschooling videos, she does cleaning videos. I really love her channel, and I'm sure you guys are really gonna love her channel too. She has 3 adorable children, and yeah, I hope you guys check out her channel and go ahead and go subscribe to her channel. But I really hope you guys enjoy today's collaboration, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Even on weekends, my body is automatically up at 8 a.m. So I will get up, I will wash my face, do whatever I have to do. Most days I don't put on makeup, but today I just thought I would. Usually I will get up and make the bed, but today my husband was actually sick, so I left him asleep in bed. had just recently gotten back from spending the holidays with our family, so there was still a bunch of stuff left in the living room and the kitchen, so right here I'm just straightening everything up before I make food. And then I just go through and straighten up everything that I made a mess of when I made breakfast. I decided I wanted to do chicken in the crock pot for dinner, so I threw in chicken thighs, chicken broth, garlic salt, cilantro, lemon, and salt and pepper. And this here is what we basically did the rest of the day. If it was a typical weekday, I would do some work and get all of my billing done at my job. But because it was Sunday, I just hung out, watched some YouTube videos, and yeah, we just kind of had a lazy day. After dinner, we clean the house. I love waking up to a clean house, so we just straighten up together and then we get ready for bed. That's a day in my life on a lazy Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to check out Tina's channel and subscribe to her channel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this collaboration, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.